Have you ever felt like life was determined to knock you down? 2 years ago, I lost everything in a single week. My business, my home, and my health. Today I run a company that helps thousands of people rebuild their lives. But this isn't about the success. It's about what happens when you decide to get back up one more time then life knocks you down. Let me take you back to that week. I was 31, running a successful fitness studio with 3 locations. 10 years of hard work had finally paid off. Then came the accident. A drunk driver ran a red light. 3 broken vertebrae. 6 months of recovery ahead. While I was in the hospital, COVID hit. My studios had to close. No income, mounting medical bills, and staff depending on me. Within a month, I had to declare bankruptcy. Lost my house, my car, everything I'd built. The lowest point? Lying in a hospital bed, watching them auction off my gym equipment online. 10 years of dreams being sold for pennies on the dollar. My phone kept buzzing with messages from clients, staff, suppliers, people I'd let down. But something happened during those endless hospital nights. Between physical therapy sessions, I started noticing how many patients were struggling with recovery, just like me. Not just physically, but mentally. The isolation, the fear, the feeling of starting over. That's when it hit me. I wasn't just a failed gym owner. I was becoming an expert in something else. How to rebuild yourself when life knocks you down. Using my phone from my hospital bed, I started a YouTube channel, Comeback Stories. Just me, sharing my daily struggles and small wins in recovery. No fancy editing, no perfect lighting, just raw truth about fighting back when life hits hard. First video, 50 views. Second, 100. By video 10, we had 10,000 people following my recovery journey. But here's what changed everything. People started sharing their own comeback stories in the comments. 3 months into recovery, still unable to walk properly, I launched Phoenix Recovery, online coaching for people going through their own comebacks. Not just physical recovery, but life recovery. How to rebuild when everything falls apart. First month, 12 clients, all fellow hospital patients. Second month, 50 clients, mostly from YouTube. Third month, 200 clients, and I had to hire help. My first hire, my former physical therapist who'd believed in me from day one. Today, Phoenix Recovery helps over 3,000 people rebuild their lives. Last month's revenue? $280,000. But the real success isn't in the numbers, it's in the stories. The cancer survivor who started her own business, the stroke patient who learned to paint again, the accident victim who now runs marathons. You know what's funny? I keep my old bankruptcy papers framed in my office. Right next to them, my first walker from the hospital. They remind me that sometimes life has to break you down completely before you can rebuild something stronger. The drunk driver who hit me, he reached out last year after seeing one of my videos. Now he's one of our success stories, 5 years sober and helping others recover from addiction. If you're in that place right now where everything seems broken, if you're wondering how you'll ever come back from this, remember this. Your comeback story isn't about returning to who you were. It's about rebuilding yourself into who you were meant to become. This channel, Beyond Stories, is about people who refuse to let life have the last word. If you want to hear more stories like this, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment about your comeback story. Maybe you're still in the middle of it. Maybe you're just starting. Let's talk about it. See you in the next video.